total lifestyle. Self-sufficiency with an acknowledgement of human needs.
I'm over it. I'm over it. My back hurts. I'm tired. My arm hurts. But it'll all be worth it. I got over it really quickly. Woo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan's Life, and today I'm not gonna do super long intro like I always do. I'm taking down these braids. I'm taking these braids out. Let me show you guys. Like, I've got new growth and stuff, and my scalp isn't super dirty, isn't super clean, but it's not super dirty because I have washed my hair twice in the last month and a half. These braids have been in a month and a half, I would say. But yeah, they are a hot, frizzy mess. A good amount of growth can be seen from here to here, so that's like a digit of my finger, and I'm excited. I don't expect to see a bunch of like gunk because my hair should be clean, but who knows. Once the braids are out, I'm going in with my detangler here, which is from Cantu. This is my favorite detangler, hands down. Melts in my hair, makes my hair feel like butter. And then I've got my mist bottle of really hot water, and I have a rat tail comb because my nails are short again for work. So without any further ado, enjoy the musical stylings that came from a website that is linked in the description box below. And I'm gonna section off my hair and we're gonna get started. I'm so excited. I miss my hair, I miss my curls. I've been watching a lot of natural hair videos. I really want to do many braids and many twists in my hair because they're very versatile. I am starting kind of a low-key growth journey, so we will be doing a lot more protective styles, which I feel like I usually do protective styles. Maybe we might see a twist out or like a wash and go. Maybe not as frequent as I do have them on this channel, but we'll see. Yes, like everybody that has braids in their hair, I'm very delusional of where my hair stops. So this is a front piece. I know my hair stretched out. It's about like, yeah, it's about here, but I'm gonna cut literally here. It's a huge gap. Yes, it is what it is. I'm literally just cutting up the ends. So yay. Let's get this party started right. Ooh. Hello hair. Hello baby. Oh, you guys, is so soft because I moisturized it and everything. Oh my goodness. Oh, I missed my... I don't know what has been happening to me lately. Okay, let me be realistic and cut this in actual length. I don't know what's been happening to me lately. I've been very emotional this past week. I've been brought close to the brink of tears over dumb stuff like me taking out a braid. I literally almost just cried. And I'm not sure as to why. But I hate it. Because if y'all know me, y'all know I just don't be crying like that. Like something major has to happen. So it needs to stop.
You
Excuse me. Coronavirus. Just kidding. But the freedom I feel, sis, is indescribable. Like, oh my God. I'm gonna not get emotional about my hair, but I genuinely missed it. I genuinely, like, it still smells good. I'm sorry that I did not show you guys ever how I like wash my hair in the braids and stuff, but you can see there's like little to no buildup. You can see actually how shiny my hair is. There's a little bit of buildup on the edges just because, you know, edges. But you can see how literally how shiny my hair is, and how you can, it just looks like an old twist out or old braid out. It's not super dry or crispy. Well, the ends are a little bit, but you do what you can. But yeah, there are, I should have recorded it. When I put braids back in my hair, I will record how I keep my hair nice and healthy so I get maximum growth and less breakage. But I guess quick length check. And I'm too tired to like do all of this and stuff. I'm gonna do that later. I'm tired, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go grab some food and just like chill and enjoy my hair. But this is the left side nape of my neck, and it is, let me scoot you guys back a bit. Actually, let me so you guys can see. So this is the nape of my neck, and it is about here. So this is my collarbone for reference. So a little bit of length, a little bit more length. I love, we stand, yay. And ooh, child, this is harder than it looks. This is the front of my hair, and this is on the left side, and it goes to my throat. So this is the full length here. Bloop. Same thing on the right side, I guess. I do have, I almost want to say maybe 1/4 of an inch more growth on the right than I do on the left. It's very hard to notice. I'm very anal about it, so I notice it. This is the crown of my head, and this is the part of my hair that I have a looser curl pattern. So I would say the rest of my hair is 4C, and my crown is like a 4B, maybe a 4A. But this is the crown. Pretty okay. From the crown, that's about here. That helps you guys with referencing. So yeah, I'm happy with my growth. I do need a trim, so I'm not gonna get too excited about it. But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching this video and keeping me company as I took out these braids and watching all my facial expressions. And I can't stop touching my hair. Oh my God. It doesn't smell, it's not dirty because, you know, we keeps it clean. And it's Megan's That Life household. We keeps it clean. Okay? Yes, mamas, yes. Hoocha, I'm hungry. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like I never say it in my videos. If you like this video, subscribe. If you don't like it, don't subscribe. I mean, it's a free world, do you? But if you do choose to subscribe, baby, it's free. It's right down there. It's a red button. And then next to the red button is a bell. Just ding. And you'll get notified when I upload. I upload once a week. Help me grow my channel, please. Thank you so much, and I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. It might be another hair video. I might do makeup and then hair. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna like stack my uploads, but yes, that is it. I love you all so much. I hope everybody's doing great, and this is the longest outro ever, so bye guys.